Want to do your taxes from your phone or tablet? The TurboTax Mobile App is surprisingly powerful and perfect for simple to moderate returns. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Download the TurboTax app from your device's store. You can start a return from scratch or continue one you began on the desktop. Its interface is streamlined for touch, making it easy to enter W-2 info by taking a picture or answer interview questions. You have full access to features like the deductions finder, and you can still e-file and choose direct deposit right from your phone. My crucial pro tip: use it for on-the-go organization. Even if you finish on a computer, use the app's Doc Capture feature throughout the year. Snap photos of receipts for donations, medical bills, or business expenses. They'll be stored and ready to reference when you file. Taxes don't have to happen at a desk anymore. Do you prefer doing your taxes on a computer, phone, or tablet? What's your device of choice? For more guides on flexible tax filing, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.